Here's a great deal on a 2007 Toyota Avalon. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.